What's the meaning of articled? Articled. Articled.
Articled. Articled. The term articled typically refers to a type of apprenticeship or training program, often in the context of law or accounting. In these programs, individuals are known as articling students and typically work under the guidance of a mentor or supervisor to gain practical experience in their field. Upon completion of the program, students may be eligible for professional certification or licensure. Articling provides an opportunity for individuals to develop their skills and knowledge in a structured and supportive environment, and can be an important step in launching a successful career.